Hi, I'm Tim with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over how to understand your deductible. Questions such as, do I pay you my deductible now? Do I pay deductible at the end of the job? Am I paying my insurance company a job? I'm going to go over and answer all these questions. Some companies will handle deductibles differently. Some may require deductible upfront because they're extending labor and material costs and they're trying to recoup some of that money, because sometimes dealing with insurance companies, you may not get paid for 3, 4, or 5 months. Some companies may just handle the deductible on the repair side because some owners may not choose to do all the repairs. They want to do some of the repairs themselves. Your deductible is your out-of-pocket expense. So in a situation where you have a $20,000 estimate that is approved by insurance, the insurance company is going to send you $19,000 or maybe even less in the beginning because they may hold back some depreciation. But your $1,000 deductible is the money that you will be paying first to your contractor. And then the carrier is going to pay the additional money up to the approved amount. In a situation where you have a $1,000 deductible and damage to your home is only $900, you may not get a check from the insurance company because it didn't exceed your deductible. So really, in that situation, there's no reason to even have a claim. Just remember that your deductible is your out-of-pocket expense, the contractor doing the work. Your carrier covers everything over and above that. You are not paying deductible to the carrier. The carrier is simply removing your out-of-pocket expense, being your deductible from their check or what they're making you pay for the whole repair of your home. If you have any questions beyond that, please feel free to check our website or call us directly.